There are certain things that work and there are certain things that don't work when it comes to beard growth. That's the message that I've brought you today. For you to be able to achieve beard growth, you need to get rid of unhealthy habits that you do. And these unhealthy habits include things like not giving your body enough sleep, not exercising, and not eating right, a balanced diet. The process of you growing a beard requires many things. It requires you to be patient. It requires you to actually let your beard grow and just not shave it. It also requires you to take care of your body by eating right, exercising, and also giving it enough sleep. It requires you to actually get rid of the dead skin cells of your face. It requires you to know which things to do, which products to use on your face. It also requires you to be a very clean man. You just need to be a very clean man. When it comes to beard growth takes time. For some, it might take a month for them to start seeing some beard growing on the face if they've followed the process of growing the beard. For some, it actually takes more than a month, which means that it might take 3 months or 4 months. For me, it took 6 months for me to start seeing a beard on my face. For me, it was a long time and I committed to the process. I knew I was going to grow a beard. And if I had that confidence of actually believing that I was going to grow a beard, and I actually have a beard today, though it's not full, this is the size of the beard that I love, and I'm maintaining this, you can also grow a beard. It means that anyone can grow a beard if he does the right thing. You know, beards are an important part of men. If you don't have a beard, you can grow a beard. If you don't have a beard, somehow you don't look as manly as you're supposed to look. Beards make men look more manly. Beards make men look, responsible. And they also get you respected if you have a beard, which means you're going to feel good about yourself. If people respect you just because you have a beard, do you know how special you're going to feel? It's just something that you will love. It's just something that makes you feel good about it. You rocking the beard. I mean, just check on the internet. Look at the people who have the beard, how amazing they look. And you can look like that as well. You can grow a beard. You just need to, beard growth is very simple. The only things you need to do for you to grow a beard, let it grow, take care of it, and also have a healthy lifestyle. Those 3 things, then boom, you're done. You grow a beard and you look smart, you take care of it, then you get respected and you get all the respect you deserve in the world. Gentlemen, growing a beard is a topic that's very wide, and so I am open to questions. If you have questions about beard growth, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. If you have questions about the things that you can do, if you want to grow the beard for the first time, if you have questions about the products, if you have questions about how to take care of your beard, any questions about beard, please ask me in the comments. I will respond to you either with a video or with text. We are here to help each other. I'm here to help myself as I'm helping you, and that's the very important thing to me. Please subscribe if you're watching this video for the first time. My name is George. That's my name. I'm the host of Maryland. Thank you for watching.